Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheelspacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about the benefit of installing the BONOSS shoulder wheel bolt. Let's get it. Installing shoulder wheel bolts is not only the way of expressing personality, but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. The BONOSS shoulder wheel bolt adopts a two-piece design. Shoe part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. For more information, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.